Hello everybody. In today's video we are going to discuss about data preprocessing. So data preprocessing is an important step in data mining process which refers to cleaning, transforming and integrating of data to make it ready for analysis purpose. The goal of preprocessing is to improve the quality of data and to make it more suitable for specific data mining tasks. Some of the common steps in data mining that are being performed are data cleaning. So these are the few common steps. Data cleaning is there. Then we have data integration. Similarly, after that we are having the step of data transformation, data reduction and so on. So when we talk of data cleaning, which is there over here, before performing data cleaning we need to perform data consolidation. That is, we have to collect the data, so we have to select the data and then do the data integration, which involves combining data from multiple sources to create a unified data set. Data integration is challenging as it requires handling data with different formats, different structures and semantics. Techniques such as record linkage and data fusion can be performed to do the task of data integration, which is there in data consolidation. So once the data consolidation has been done, the next thing is data cleaning. So it involves identifying and correcting errors or various inconsistencies in the data, like handling the missing values, outliers to be detected and handled, duplicate values to be removed. So various techniques can be used for data cleaning, such as imputation of the missing values, removal of noise and outliers, and then transformation. It also eliminates various type of inconsistencies which lead to wrong data. After this, the next task is data transformation. So data transformation involves converting the data into a suitable form, that is known as normalizing the data. So common techniques used in data transformation include normalization, standardization, aggregation, and dissertation. So normalization is used to scale the data to a common range, while standardization is used to transform the data to have zero mean and unit variance. Discretization is used to convert continuous data into discrete categories. So when we talk of this discretization, this is important task which says when we are having continuous data, so this continuous data is to be converted to discrete categories. This is known as discretization. We can also construct the new attributes as per requirement. So when we are of data discretization, we are also talking about data reduction also. So before moving towards data reduction, let us understand data discretization. So which involves dividing continuous data into discrete categories or intervals. Discretization is often used in data mining and machine learning algorithms that require categorical data. Discretization can be achieved through techniques such as equal bit binning, equal frequency binning, and clustering. And when we talk of data normalization, it is that involves the scaling of data to a common range between 0 and 1 or -1 and 1. Normalization is often used to handle data with different units and different scales. Common normalization techniques include min-max, uh, score normalization, and decimal scaling. Data preprocessing plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality of the data and accuracy of the data analysis process. After that, we have data reduction. So when we talk of data reduction, it involves reducing the size of the data while preserving the important information. Data reduction can be achieved through the techniques such as feature selection, feature extraction, etc. Feature selection involves selecting a subset of relevant features from the dataset, while feature extraction involves transformation transforming the data into lower dimensional space while preserving the important information. Data reduction also includes reducing the number of total variables, reducing the number of cases, and balancing the skewness in the case. So when we talk of data preprocessing, it involves the data cleaning, transformation, reduction, missing values, ignoring normalization, attribute selection, discreditation that we have already discussed. And we have few steps that are involved in performing data preprocessing, like data cleaning. So in data cleaning, we will handle the missing values. This situation arises when some data is missing. It can be handled in the various ways, like we can a few of them are mentioned over here. Like first one is ignore the tuples. This approach is suitable only when the dataset we have is quite large and multiple values are missing within a tuple. Then the next technique is filling the missing values. So there are various ways to do this task. You can choose to fill the missing values that are available manually or by using certain mean and the average case. Excuse me. Then we have noisy data. So noisy data is meaningless data that can be interpreted by machines. It can be generated due to faulty data collection, data entry errors, etc. uh, are there. It can be handled in many ways like binning method, regression, and clustering one. So binning method is nothing else. It simply works on the sorted data in order to make it smooth. In this, the whole data is divided into equal segments, and various methods are used to perform the complete task. Each segment in this case is handled separately. We can replace all the data in the segment by its mean or its boundary. Then we have regression. So here we can say that the data can be made smooth by fitting it to a regression function. This regression used may be linear or multiple, which depends upon we are having single independent variable or we can have multiple independent variables. Next we have data transformation step. So this step is taken in order to transform the data in appropriate form that is suitable for mining process. The very first method in this is the normalization one, which is done in order to scale the data values in a specified range. Attribute selection. So when we talk of attribute selection, it is a strategy when new attributes are constructed from the given set of attributes to help the mining process. Then we have discretization. It is done to replace the raw values of numeric attribute by interval levels or the conceptual levels. Then we have concept hierarchy generation. Here the attributes are converted from lower level to higher level in the hierarchy. Like we have a attribute city which can be converted into a country. Then last but not least is the data reduction. So data reduction is a crucial step in data mining process which involves reducing the size of the data set while preserving all the important features. This is done to improve the efficiency of data analysis and to avoid overfitting of the model. So some of the common steps in this case are feature selection, data aggregation, and so on. So feature selection here involves selecting a subset of relevant features from the dataset. Feature selection is often performed to remove irrelevant or redundant features from the dataset. It can be done using various techniques such as correlation analysis, mutual information, or principal component analysis. Feature extraction is also there, which involves transforming the data into a lower dimensional space while preserving the important information. So feature selection extraction is used when the original features are high dimensional and complex. Then we further have sampling, in which we choose samples. Clustering is there, that is to make the groups, and then we can perform the compression also. So that's all about data pre-processing. So if you have any doubt in this, then you can ask in the comment box, or if you have any suggestion, that are also welcome. So thanks for watching the video.